There are many things you do to your car every day and you don't even realize they're damaging it. Today, I'm going to tell you about 10 mistakes you need to stop immediately if you want your car to last. 1. Pressing the gas pedal when the car is cold is a huge mistake. You need to give it a minute to warm up a bit before pressing it. 2. You drive with the gas tank almost empty all the time. This tires out the gas pump and causes it to draw dirt from the tank. 3. Neglecting to change the engine oil. If the oil is delayed, the engine will wear out and you will pay many times the price of the oil. 4. Shopping with your hand always on the gear shift. This puts pressure on parts inside the gear shift and damages it over time. 5. It presses the brakes hard every now and then. Besides being dangerous, it also wears out the brake pads and discs quickly. 6. Shopping with underinflated tires increases fuel consumption and damages tires faster. 7. Turn the air conditioner on to the lowest setting immediately. It is better to turn on the fan for a bit and then the air conditioner so as not to put pressure on the compressor. 8. Neglecting the air filter. A dirty filter means less power and higher fuel consumption. 9. Leaving the car parked in the sun all the time. The sun damages the paint, breaks the plastic, and weakens the battery. 10. Ignoring any strange noises. What seems like a small noise today could become a major problem tomorrow. If you want your car to last and save you money, avoid these mistakes. Don't forget to like and follow for more.